Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. The channel I will teach you everything you need to know about web development and programming, from the basics to the advanced stuff. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of web development. Whether you are beginning or looking to learn the basics, or an experienced developer seeking new insights, or just curious about how websites are made, this video is for you. We cover what web development is, the different type of web development, and the tools you need. We get started. Web development is the process of building websites and web applications. Before you start building a house, you need a blueprint. In web development, this blueprint is a website design. On the planning phase, you define the structure, layout, and overall look and feel of a website, just like an architect designs the blueprint of a house. There are two main types of web development. We have the front-end development and the back-end development. Front-end development focuses on the user-facing side of the website. This includes the design, layout, and functionality of the website. Backend development focuses on the server side of the website. This includes handling data, processing requests, and ensuring the website is secure. There are several key technologies that every web developer should be familiar with. In front-end development, we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Just have to worry about what it means. Just know that it's used to write the structure of the web page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, used to style the web page. And JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity and dynamic elements to web pages. Imagine web development as building a house. Just like a house has different components that come together to create a functional and beautiful living space. A website has various elements that come together to create an engaging online experience. The foundation of a house is like HTML in web development. HTML provides the basic structure of a website, just like a foundation provides stability for a house. CSS is like the interior design and structure of a house. It adds style, colors, fonts, and layout to the HTML structure, making the website visually appealing, just like how interior design enhances the aesthetics of a house. JavaScript is like the electrical and plumbing systems in a house. It adds interactivity and functionality to a website, allowing users to interact with different elements. Just like how electrical system power appliances and plumbing system provide water flow in a house. Imagine that this huge web page contains HTML and CSS, but not JavaScript. If I try to like the video, it will not work. If I try to subscribe, it will not work. By adding JavaScript to this page, I can like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Therefore, this YouTube page becomes interactive by adding JavaScript. The backend of a website is like the plumbing and wiring hidden behind the walls of a house. It handles data storage, processing, and communication between the front-end and the server. Just like our plumbing and wiring issue, the house functions smoothly. In backend development, we have backend languages and database management system. We have the backend languages such as Python, Ruby, PHP, and Node.js. For handling data and processing requests, we have the database management systems such as MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL for storing and retrieving data. Suppose we are using Python as the backend language and MySQL as the database management system. By pressing the subscribe button, JavaScript gives my subscription to Python. Python retrieves it, then transports it to the server. After MySQL retrieves it, then it stores it to the database. Afterwards, it gives it back to the Python. Python sends it back to the front part. JavaScript retrieves it, displays this subscription message. To get started with web development, you'll need a few essential tools: a code editor for writing code, a web browser for testing your code, and a version control system for tracking changes of your code. The most popular code editor in web development is Visual Studio Code or VS Code. The most popular web browser in web development is Google Chrome, and the most popular version control systems are Git and GitHub. A house requires ongoing maintenance and upgrades to keep it in good condition. Similarly, a website needs regular updates and maintenance to ensure it remains secure, functional, and up to date with the latest technologies. Web development is a dynamic field that is constantly evolving. Stay curious, experiment with new technologies, and never stop learning. Whether you're building a personal blog, an e-commerce site, or a complex web application, the possibilities are endless. That is a quick overview of the basics of web development. In future videos, we jump deeper into each of these topics and start building some real-world websites. I hope the video has inspired you to explore the world of web development further. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So roll up your sleeves, start coding, and create something amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Till the next video.